All right, friends, welcome back for another lesson. Go ahead and pick up your First Step Blue Book that looks like this and turn to page 6. Let's turn here to page 6. We're going to be looking at number 2. Specifically, we'll be looking at the treble clef or the G clef line. So go ahead, take a look at that line. We're going to name these notes today and find them on the piano. So I'll give you a few reminders and then send you off to the piano to find these notes. So first of all, what kind of clef do we have here? I circled it in red, and that is our G clef, or we sometimes call it our treble clef, but we call it our G clef because the circle of that clef goes right around our G line. So I just put our G line in red. And like we have learned, as long as we know one line, we can figure out the rest of the lines and the spaces. So just a quick reminder that a line to a line is an interval of a third. A space to a space is an interval of a third. And a line to a space is an interval of a second. So that's some of the tools that we have been using to figure out these notes. If you have other tools that you use, that is perfectly fine as well. So in just a moment, I want you to pause this video and set a timer for 3 minutes. Just go ahead and use 3 minutes and name as many notes and find them on the piano as you can. If you don't get through all the notes, that's perfectly fine. I would assume you will not get through all the notes, and that's what's expected. So name as many as you can, just 1 or 2 is great. So pause your video, go ahead and set a timer for 3 minutes, go to your piano, find and name as many notes as you can. Go ahead and do that now. Let's go ahead and talk through these notes. So what I'm going to do is I am going to play the note on the piano, and then I will name the note for you. Here is middle C. Here's another C. E. E. G. High G. And high F there. F. D. D again. B. E. E. G. Treble G or G clef G. That's D. D. F, F, E, B, E, A, C, middle C, A, and D. Go ahead and take a look at your paper, however you named the notes, and see if you got a few of them correct. And we'll be doing this again in a couple weeks. See you for your next lesson.